they travel through the air, right? Do you think if I walked out of the room and hit my drum, would you be able to hear it?
Yes.
Why?
Because it makes sound waves so it can travel through stuff.
That's right, Olivia. So our sound waves travel, okay? Those vibrations travel along the sound wave to go through the air. So I'm going to show you how it sounds in here, and then I'm going to walk out and close the door and hit it out there to see if you can hear it, okay? So that we can test how well those sound waves travel, okay? So I'm going to hit it first in here. Ready? Okay, so we all heard that, right? Okay, I'm going to go out there. Do you want to watch to see if you can hear it? Yeah, right there. We're going to see how these sound waves travel.
Are you going to come back?
Yes.
Yes.
Did y'all hear that?
Yes.
The whole school heard that.
Actually, I know.
So did those sound waves travel back into your classroom?
Yes.
That's right, they did. So that is why when you might be